Welcome to RAV Blocks. Bajaj Dominar 400 2021 BS6 variant is another worthy option if you are looking for a good city bike that also fulfills your touring requirements and has been priced well under 3 lakhs. I would like to thank Mr. Karthik from KTM 8 Mile showroom on Tumkur Road for getting me this beast for a quick walk around and a test drive. I will mention his contact details in the description. Please reach out to him for any sales or test drive enquiries. Coming to the engine specifications, 2021 Dominar 400 is a BS6 compliant engine with marginal changes in the power. The marginal change is the 5 bhp increase. This engine produces 40 PS power and 35 Nm torque. The DTSI technology is the same which was present in BS4 and BS6, which is having the triple spark technology. The difference in weight between BS4 and BS6 is that the current model weigh 187 kilograms, which has got its own advantages. The rear tire specification is 150/60 with a 17-inch rim, which is same as BS4 variant. This has got dual channel ABS for max safety and the diamond cut shape alloy wheels. It's a unique characteristics. The tail lamp is same as the BS4 variant. There is no change. The seating comfort has little bit increased in the BS6 variant. I feel they have used a premium quality cushions compared to the BS4 variant. The dual instrument cluster is the same as BS4 variant and there is no significant change. And there is an option to increase the size of the handlebar if it is required. Ground clearance is 157 millimeter and the fuel capacity is of 13 liters, which is same as BS4 variant. The front tire specification is 110 by 70 with a 17-inch rim. 43 mm upside forks with dual channel ABS as well. Let me talk about the ride comfort now. I had mentioned earlier that this bike weighs 187 kilograms and it has got its own advantages. Once you are on the bike, you will never feel the weight of the bike and you can maneuver it easy breezy through the traffic. I am doing this first drive through a busy road to find out how comfortable it is to maneuver through the traffic. Dominar has proved its touring capacity already and I do not have any doubts on it. The power delivery is good. Initial pickup and torque is superbly amazing. You will never feel that the engine is strained and the feel, to be honest, what you're gonna get is, rev the bike more. engine is refined and smooth, gear shifting is effortless, and there is absolutely no vibration. The exhaust note is bit bassy compared to the previous BS4 variant, which was more on a smoother side. The riding position, I must say, is very comfortable, and it, even if you are going through the city traffic condition or on a highway touring, which I did earlier on previous versions of Domina, it is absolutely fine. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe. And thank you for watching.